Yo, it's Awkwards again. We're here in the studio at Soundwave with Crypto, Grouch, Zenhal, and Zion. Putting together this It Was Written shit. Came out real dope. It was a real fun experience all in all.
One take? One take?
Yeah, we did that shit in one take. Y'all are gonna love it when it comes out. Shouts to everybody out in the Philippines, man. I can't wait to get out there. Hopefully I'll come out there and battle Protege. We'll have a classic, man. It'll be sick. That's what it is. Remember Stockton, follow me on Twitter. Awkwards. We're out here, man. Chill.
What's up, Philippines? I'm the Grouch. This is my brother Equipto. We've been putting in work in the Bay Area for a long time now. I'm from a group called Living Legends.
I'm from a group called Ward Stiff out of San Francisco.
The homie Zenhal had us come out today and rock for this It Was Written show. I had hella fun. It just took it back to something that I haven't been doing for a long time. Just writing a verse and getting it out, performing it right there, then and there. And I had hella fun.
Yeah, shit was dope, man. You know, it was a little stressful in the beginning, I ain't gonna lie. I was like, I'm used to this shit, I don't be doing this video. I'm a goof rapper and you know, all this shit. I was trying to come with excuses. But, you know what I'm saying, I heard the brothers on the ball. Actually, I heard the lineup like Grouch and Zion and Awkwards being awkward trying to work, you know what I'm saying? And then Hal was part of it, so it was a beautiful experience. It was hilarious. We had a ball, man. I wish we had a blooper reel for y'all. But,
we do it somewhere.
I'm gonna make one.
Y'all gonna laugh at that shit.
Zenhal, for sure, man.
Yeah, man, been around, you know what I'm saying, doing his thing, young cat, trying to, you know what I'm saying?
Trying to help people out,
exactly.
man. You know
Trying to help out the Bay Area.
Work out here and support the system. Because that's one of the things that the game is lacking right now is respect and honor. You know what I mean? Like respect and pay homage, man.
Yeah,
to the ones that put work in already.
Generation.
And to the ones coming up, too.
Exactly.
So we give it back and forth.
Exactly.
Mutual respect.
Yes. Yes.
What's up, Zion?
Can I get a news, motherfucker? Yo, what's up? So we had, it was just fucking epic. It was like planets aligning. That's why you might have got that line in the verse. It's like the planets aligning, and it's just a bigger movement. And I've been telling Grouch for hella long, like, yo, man, the Philippines is cracking. So what's up, Philippines?
Man,
we're gonna do this for you.
I want to come to the Philippines. I already live on an island. I live in Hawaii. I live
Mike
on
is
Maui.
talking to you.
And I want to get
Mike
there.
is talking to you.
I want to rap with y'all out there.
It sounds like a good show right here.
Hey, bro. And one last thing. Hey, Mike. You know what I'm talking about when I say this? This is a chess move, and so you have to top this on your end. Peace, bro.
Hey, he's supposed to see the It Was Written tour. That's what we need.
Let's drink some coconut.
Exactly. Let's do it.
He's supposed to be playing chess for hella long. And by the way, before we leave, man, I want to make sure to give a shout out to DJ Buddha Spin.
Yes.
Blazing Kane, Ron Henley,
Mike
Looney, Picasso,
Enigma.
Yeah, everybody out there.
Shout out to
Looney.
Yeah, here's for y'all.
Jay Skills, Tony Chrome.
Free Aquin, my Filipino play cousin. You know what I mean?
Jehan got bars, by the way.
We travel mad niggas. We back at it. We get on airplanes, relax, action matches. We light it up, we smoke weed, hashes. You know my steez fly, black hat, black glasses. I'm the shit, you don't believe me? Ask bastards, get ahead, nigga, ask them. Or you can ask them, ask them, ask your black friends nicely. Ask your wifey now if she not acting shiesty.
Willen Rivera.
Yes. Willen.
Hey, Jehan.
Willen, we got some good work coming.
Hey, Jehan, Zenhal been saying he wants his hat back, by the way.
Yeah, I want my hat back, motherfucker. You stole my shit and you're wearing it like in every goddamn episode of everything. Give my shit back,
And Mike
man.
Swift,
It don't even say JH, it says XN. What you doing, bro?
It's right more, man.
How many takes we had? We smoked 2 times those blunts.
Well, we only had one take.
Just to let
Now, you know what I'll do?
What's going on?
I'll put it on.
I don't care if Grouch want to smoke weed.
There you go.
I am a little bit.
This shit is so smoky in here.
I had to step out the room a couple times. That's real. I smoke a little bit when I'm at home, but not in no public areas anymore. But yeah, this way Crypto had it going on.
Yeah, we had fun. You know, we had there weren't props either when we were smoking. It was real weed. It wasn't tobacco, nothing.
No roll, no spliffs?
Kept it a billion. Still on?
Still on. Keep going.
I'm about to go do this show right now.
Yeah, Oakland Arm Armor. I'm gonna show you some footage of that because I'm gonna be there like watching.
Shout out to Hieroglyphics. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All the crews, man, the legends, everybody I came up with, Homo Junctions and Mixed Practice. You know what I mean? All the OGs in the building, man.
Real talk,
various blends.
Man, we're just trying to keep it live, man. real out here, man. Solidarity, living legends, living fire. You know what I'm saying? Aqueezy. I'm in the box and say easy. You feel me? We out here catching bodies, man.
Balians. Shout out to Balians.
And we're just the guys that catch it on film and put it out to y'all so y'all can see it. Like that's all that I am. Team Dunson. By the way, shout out to Team Dunson because y'all been killing it lately. I see you guys.